Most of you know how this works, but only a few of you know how you can actually make your own. Exactly. And that's why I'm going to show you how I made this one. Us. Considering the fact that I did the last painting 11 years back, I hopped onto Google and searched for some anime pictures cause I need one for crafting this gimmick. After going through a lot of results, I found this amazing Naruto picture which is simple, colorful and also a fan favorite character. I then cropped it and adjusted the size in a Word document so I can get the actual size print that I want. That's perfect. Then I used a ruler and a pencil to draw a virtual frame around the picture, leaving a gap of around half a centimeter. And then cut it out along the lines I drew. Now on the other side of the paper, I placed the cutout and drew a slightly larger box around it and extended it sideways. Then I extended the box from the short side with slightly smaller dimensions than the actual cutout. And after that, on the other extension, I drew a window big enough to display the portrait almost completely and then started cutting along the guiding lines. Now from the L-shaped structure, I had to cut out the window for the portrait that I previously traced out. And that is neat. For the next part, I had to use a transparent sheet and a marker. But before starting to draw, I had to use a transparent tape in order to align and stick the transparent sheet from the top and the left side of the portrait cutout. And then cut off the excess part from around the portrait. After that, I traced out the outlines of the character on the transparent sheet with a thin marker. And when the tracing was complete, I had to put a white paper in between to find out the missing parts, to fill them so that the drawing looks perfect. And after being satisfied, I taped the final right edge with the transparent tape and it looks sick. Now for the final part, I folded the L-shaped cutout from the side and glued it inside for a clean looking finish. And then I folded the smaller extension and inserted it right between the window and the back side, cause it is the second main part of this entire effect. This part then goes in between the transparent drawing and the actual portrait, making it look like a simple sketch. So when I pull the picture out, it looks like that the portrait magically got filled with colors. So that's how I crafted this amazing effect which has endless possibilities since it really depends on the ideas of the person making it. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and a comment if you love this type of edits. And if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe because that helps a lot. Once again guys, thanks for watching. Peace.